Hello, I'm Dr. Evelyn Tirado from Dr. Mexico Dental Group in Tijuana, Mexico. Have you ever looked in the mirror and wish you could improve your smile? Whether you're unhappy with stained teeth, worn teeth, chips, gaps, crooked teeth, or even missing teeth, a custom smile makeover can completely transform both your smile and your confidence. One of the things I love most about smile makeovers is that every treatment is personalized. There is no single solution that's right for everyone. Depending on your needs, we may recommend porcelain veneers, zirconia crowns, professional teeth whitening, dental implants, bridges, or a combination of treatments designed specifically for you. Before treatment begins, we use digital smile design to carefully analyze your facial features, bite, and smile. This allows us to create a treatment plan that produces beautiful, natural-looking results while ensuring your new smile functions comfortably for many years. Many of our patients are surprised to learn that they don't have to settle for a smile they've never liked. Even if you have worn teeth from grinding, old dental work, or missing teeth, we can often restore both the beauty and function of your smile with modern cosmetic dentistry. Our goal isn't simply to make your teeth look whiter. Our goal is to create a smile that fits your face, improves your confidence, and allows you to smile naturally for years to come. If you've been thinking about improving your smile, we'd love the opportunity to help. Contact us today to schedule your free smile makeover consultation, and together we'll create the smile you've always wanted. We look forward to meeting you here at Dr. Mexico Dental Group.